Alright, right when you walk out the Louvre, there's a gift shop. So let's see what kind of merch they have. Mona Lisa tote bag $24.95, coffee cup $11.95. Really? Eraser, band, chocolate, a little pouch, a little gym bag, and there's a puzzle. This is kind of cool. Just one chocolate. How much is that? Whoa, that's like $3.95. Mona Lisa chocolate. Let's see, there's more. Oh, so this actually, like this, and turn into a gym bag. That's actually not bad. There's an umbrella. There's a scarf, €65. And there's a coffee cup, coffee mug, notebook, pencil, pen, more chocolate, tote bag. So I think Mona Lisa is the popular image. And they have all the artwork postcard right here for €20. Oh, Marie Antoinette. Only thing that I can recognize. I wonder why. So you can buy your favorite painting for $1.20 or $1.70, depends the size. What is that? $4.50 magnet. Okay. So there's some more modern merch. Socks for $9.95. Notebook. Really? For $11.95. There's our scarf. Let's see. Oh, here's some Marie Antoinette stuff. There's a Marie Antoinette rose jam, tea, chocolate. That's tea. Okay, this is cute. Brush for $19.95. There's a bunch of t-shirt there. This is more like a modern art sessions. Tote bag. Louvre. This is kind of nice quality. Okay. I kind of like this bag. The reason why is because I can put my Birkin in here. But this is pretty heavy, so yeah, now. There's I've forgotten of the style, but that's the shoes. How much is that? I don't see the price. Why is I feel like this is like a Target selections? It's just like a Target selections. With different chocolate, Eiffel Tower. So there is Eiffel Tower merch right here. Oh, I think this tote bag is cute for $39. No zipper. Oh my god, it's all around it. You can see the whole pairs. I'm looking for can opener. So there's another one, just Eiffel Tower for $19.50. There's a catalog for the Louvre. There's some book here. There's some pens, charms, key charms. That's cute. Oops. I dropped this. So this is their cartoon character. I don't know who that is, but it's cute. Amor, love, so cute. Super cute. So maybe Anj will know who's this character. He's like a, very in it. Oh, right here. So this is the, I see like cartoonized the famous painting. Like that's Mona Lisa. I see. Very smart. Hold on, let me take a photo for Anj. So this whole cartoon character, it's very cute. They have just about everything you can imagine. Okay, and there's a little princess stuff. There's a teacup set. That's where you pay. Okay. Now you know the merch. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed today. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, comment the video below, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.